Dear friends, on Olympic Day, we remember the creation of the modern Olympic movement. This day is first and foremost about sport and the joy it brings to all of us. Sport is universal, and that is why Olympic Day is also a moment to remember that sport should be enjoyed everywhere and by everyone. Girls and boys, men and women, young and old, regardless of ability. Sport is always about bringing people together. So I encourage each of you to engage in sport and spread the joy of doing sport. Encourage your family and motivate your friends to join in and make sport a part of their lives as well. Together, we can make a difference. By joining this Olympic Day celebration, you will play an important part to spread the Olympic spirit across the whole world. Thank you for everything you do to promote sport in your community. And now, have a wonderful Olympic Day.